seek development for my people, things they have not seen since independence, that I'm as stupid as my late mother. And my mother, I know for sure, went to study in Germany, like other people did. That I will not take lying down. Namweke hiyo kwa miti. If you choose to abuse those you should be grooming because they've taken a different path and because they think differently, then just tell us that we have no space, in whatever it is you are trying to achieve. And you do not recognize the sacrifices some of us have made to support you in the past. But I will not be deterred. How many of you want me to bring the president here? Show me. Because we have many things we still want to do here. Hatuna stima. Stima leo imepotea. Hatuna. Watoto wetu hawana kazi. We have no meaningful industry here. And I'm being told I'm stupid like my mother. For going to ask what is rightfully yours. You pay taxes for going to ask for what is yours. Mimi kama Caroli Omondi, I am saying, I've done my politics with a clean heart, and my purpose is to serve you people. I have no any other interest. So whatever it takes, be rest assured, I will support you. We are in charge, fully in charge. And if somebody thinks that I will need ODM ticket to run again here, let me tell them, I am ready to face my fate. I will come back, mtaniambia nifuate wapi. Na nitaingia. Hiyo I am sure. Nitaingia kwa bunge. Kukudoka. Kukudoka kwa kukudoka. Onge luoro, onge ngikni, onge dokchien, onge kuo. Wapi mbele.